Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan Batchelor. This is my creative expression project. What inspired me to do this was I went to see the Sam Francis exhibit at the Crocker Museum downtown Sacramento. So I've decided to do a painting and to do that painting similar to what Sam Francis did. I doubt that what I do will turn out anywhere near the quality that he achieved in his life. I painted for quite some time early on in my life, around 18, 19 years old. For about a year and a half, I painted mainly oils. What I'm going to begin today, I'm actually working in acrylic. I'm just going to try that because I need the paints to be able to be thinned out enough to actually do what I'm wanting them to do. Okay, the basic things that you need when painting. A lot of people want actually palette that you can hold on to. In this particular situation, I'm going to be painting the paintings flat because I want the paint to spread out in a certain way. Now, in this particular case, I want one of the canvases to be an all black background and the other one to be all white. And the reason is because I want to attempt to create that depth in the painting. But one of the things that I didn't see when I visited the Crocker was I did not see where he had actually used a darker background. So I want to attempt to do something similar to what he did in the later years of his life, which I don't know if I'll be able to even come close, like I said. But I also want to take a contrast of that, and that's kind of where I got the idea for this. I would like the paintings to be similar in the way they are designed, but different in the way the backgrounds are done. So I guess if that makes any sense. So. All right, so that's all we're going to do for today. I'm going to let them dry. And the reason being is the next thing that we're going to do to the paintings requires that the paint be really thin. And I want to minimize the mixture of the background with the paint we're going to be putting on next. All right, today our canvases have dried at this point with the background color that I wanted. So now I'm going to start on actually painting the actual pictures that I want, or not the pictures, I don't know. In this particular part, I had to do some practicing, so I went and got a couple of I guess they're just canvas panels. They're really cheap. So I went and got a couple of these and tried out some techniques that I wanted to do in the larger painting. I'm going to use these same techniques that I did with these on the larger paintings. Now I'm not painting them all at once because I have to allow what I'm going to do now to dry, and then I'll do the rest of the painting. Now on the white side, if you notice, this is just kind of an idea of what I'm doing here. I want this to be a little bit different from what I got here. But I learned as I went, this is more the effect that I want. And I can show you that a little closer. Well, you really can't see it. Yeah, so I'm wanting a gassish cloud looking thing on the painting. So, but I want to do, since I'm doing a painting that's kind of a yin and yang, it's actually two paintings in one, and they should be matched up. So what I'm planning on doing is actually, I'm going to paint that cloud over here on this side. I just want to do something a little different to get that effect. I'm using a sponge, and this is just a sponge that you find. It's just a natural sponge, and it has various sides. You know, as you can see. Some of them, like one side is kind of the natural, you know, growth side, and then the other is where it's been cut. You can find these at your painting stores. So I'm going to do blue on this side. One of the things you have to do, and another reason that I painted the background of the painting first, if you thin out acrylic too much and you paint directly onto the canvas, the paint tends to lose its ability to stick to the canvas. So whenever you're painting the canvas, you always want to use the paint in its natural state. That was one of the things that I know, because what happens is later on your paintings will peel if you don't. So. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create, and I'm using a squirt bottle here, I'm going to create a wash with this. And I'm using about equal parts water and okay, I'm going to try something that I haven't ever tried before. I'm using syringes to actually put paint on the canvas. So anyway, it should be interesting. We will see. So I've completed my paintings. I took some photographs of them. I gotta let them dry flat, so I'm gonna have to wait on moving them until tomorrow. So I guess we'll know exactly how they turned out then. Anyway, thanks. That's it.